Welcome back, everyone. Today's 2-minute book review is Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. Napoleon Hill wrote this book a long time ago. I think it was like 1930s, 1940s. But the book is phenomenal, and it talks about thinking about what you want. It's about affirmations and visualizations and how to get your mindset where it needs to be. Now, I'm not saying that if you sit around and think all day, you're going to become rich. That's not true. You got to act on it. But action without knowing what you want is not going to get you very far either. So just know that this book is a very valuable tool as far as setting goals, visualizing goals, affirming goals, achieving goals, your mindset involved in thinking about growing rich, and then as a result, acting and growing rich. So definitely check it out. Anybody should read this book. It'll benefit you immensely. It's a classic for a reason. I highly recommend this book. In fact, a buddy of mine just spent a fortune for an autographed copy of this book for his promotion bonus. So shout out. Have a great day, guys. Check out the book.